Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. Tonight we're going to be going over a brand new company from the UK called Midas Beard. Stay tuned. Welcome back everybody. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the content. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you like the video at the end, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Tonight we're going to be talking about a company from the UK that's brand new. Company is called Midas Beard. I've seen the company on Instagram here and there, and I was attracted to the presentation of the bottle. It had a black bottle with gold wording on it. Of course, that's gonna pop. That'll attract anybody's attention. It just looks good. So I shot them a message to see if they'd be interested in a review. They agreed to the review. They sent me a couple of things. And I'm going to express to anybody that questions me in general, how do I use these products? How do I test so many products? I test them just like any other beard product. Minimal usage is 4 days, and it's not very often. I usually get 5 to 6 days usage. And you're questioning, how is that possible? You're throwing reviews out left and right. Well, it is possible because I get these products and I have them for a while, and I tell the company, the company knows going into the review that there's a chance I might have it for X amount of time, or X amount of time, and that's their understanding. That's how I do my reviews. I use every product the same. If I question a product on its use, how it feels, I'll go a little bit longer to make sure that's the review, and that's what the review is going to be, whether positive or negative, whatever. Anyway, just want to clear that up. So they sent me a couple products, and I'm going to review this for you guys tonight. I'm going to first show you something real quick. This is a brush that I got when I first started reviewing products, and it's just a standard brush, boar hair bristle brush, and it's, if you can see, it's about the size of my palm, a little bit smaller. Keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. Presentation wise for Midas Beard, presentation is awesome. This is the 2 boxes that I got in the mail. I'll open this one first. As you can see, it's a standard box. Pop it open like so, and you're granted with a couple of things. I'll show you these real quick. This little sack with the little tassels on it, which I thought was pretty cool. And there's their logo. The little things like this I enjoy getting. Just a little pin of their logo. It's pretty cool. And a cool little envelope. And it's inside the little envelope. Let's see. It has like a little pamphlet with a couple of pages in it about their products, and of course everybody likes a nice sticker. It's got that gold pop to it, very cool. And the thank you card. I apologize about my lighting, guys. I gotta fix something. It's a little bit too bright. And of course on the back, a note. It says, "Dear King Patrick, we want to personally thank you for choosing us and hope you love using it as much as we loved creating it. P.S. Please leave us an honest review. Midas Beard Team." Thank you to the Midas Beard Team. I appreciate you sending these products. And then this box, we have another box. And on the back, it's got all the ingredients. And I'll read those real quick. The oil ingredients is sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, grapefruit seed extract, aloe vera, avocado, and fragrance essential order. Vegan free, it's natural, cruelty free. And like I said, I really like the presentation of this. And the name of this oil is Olympus. And I believe the scent profile is cedarwood, sandalwood, and eucalyptus. And then the presentation, when you flip the box open, very nice. I like the gold on the black, a little like cover right here. It's really awesome presentation. I really enjoyed just seeing the boxes, just awesome looking. And the bottle is the black bottle, standard dropper top with gold writing. When you first open the bottle, I get maybe a touch of the eucalyptus. I don't really get the sandalwood or cedar wood. I mean, I get a little bit of a woody smell, but I'm not sure what it is. And like I said, the ingredients are sweet almond oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, grapefruit, seed extract, aloe vera, avocado oil, fragrance, essential oils. And as you can see, it's pretty clear, about a medium consistency. I used it for, I think I used it for like 3 days, and it felt great. My skin felt great. My skin was soft underneath. My beard, for the most part, it felt soft. But after the 4th day of putting it on, you know, I did my routine. I took a shower. I didn't co-wash or nothing, or wash my beard or anything. Get out of the shower, put this oil in. And about 2 hours into my day, my beard started feeling really, I don't want to say dry, but like brittle. You know how your beard gets when it starts to dry out, it gets that hay feel. That's what I felt. So I'm like, okay, you know, I work around sand all day. The sand must have just, you know, sucked the moisture out of my beard, because normally that does happen, but not as bad as my beard felt that day. So I came home, I grabbed the bottle of oil, I threw a little more, I probably threw about 8 to 9 drops in my palm, threw it in beard, you know, kind of did my thing around the house, and it didn't get any better. As far as it working, it worked for the first three and a half days. But it just seemed like on the 4th day, it just was all downhill from there. The scent profile, I get a little bit of the eucalyptus, even when I warm it up. It's a little bit of a woody, like a woody aroma. But as far as the cedarwood and the sandalwood, I don't get any of that. For you guys that always tell me that I'm always doing positive reviews, that, you know, I just do my reviews just to do them. It sucks doing this video. It really bothers me doing this video because you don't know how to. I mean, you don't know how to feel. You just feel this tiny when you test a product out and it goes good, and then all of a sudden it's just like it stops working. It sucks doing these videos. It's a new company. There's gonna be you know, issues with that or this. They're just starting out, trial and error. To me, I think they need to, with the scent profile. The first thing is they need to figure out what what happened with that, because like I said, all I get is a little bit of the eucalyptus, and when I warm it up, it's like a kind of a really like small woodish type scent blend. And like I said, three days was fine. That 4th day I threw it in twice and it just didn't get any better, so I just stopped using it. Presentation's awesome. I love the presentation. I got one more thing to show you guys. They also sent me, remember the brush that I showed you? It's a standard brush. This, on the other hand, is pretty awesome. Check that out. That is a behemoth brush. This brush is huge. It's got the standard black like satin. And if you hold it up next to this one, I mean, it kind of covers it up, you know. And as far as the bristles, I mean, it's a pretty big brush, and it's nice and soft. This I use every single day. I've been using this since I've got it in the mail. And it's just an awesome brush. It's got the little curvature. I don't know if you guys can see that. But this is an awesome brush. I love this brush. As far as the oil, like I said, guys, we gotta do these videos. Every once in a while. It sucks doing them. It just makes you feel real small. But it's honesty, transparency. For you guys that always doubt me, saying I don't review, well, I'm sorry, but this is a perfect example of I don't do reviews just to do reviews. So Midas Beard, I want to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to try your product out. I wish it would have went a little bit different, but like I said, it's a brand new company. You guys are brand new. Trial and error. Change something up maybe with your ratios. The scent profile, it just something wasn't clicking, and unfortunately, it didn't work for me. If you guys want to check them out, the links will be in the description box. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Until the next review, guys, peace.